Hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, not far from the National Theatre, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary, where I've made a short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT experts for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We are an international team of Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are hiring new IT professionals for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements and the selection process as well. At the moment I'm looking for a senior Windows system engineer who is going to be responsible for the management and monitoring of the IT infrastructure. And I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complex. So as for the job, what you will have to do is third line support, troubleshooting, resolving issues and problems, maintaining and upgrading different systems including service packs, patches, hotfixes and security configurations. Monitoring the performance is also part of the job. Making sure that the system is available and reliable is also your task. Monitoring system resource utilization, trending and capacity planning is also your job. Working with configuration and change management policies is also your task. Implementing management tools, policies and procedures with the security team is also what you will have to do. You will have to interact with the vendors and other IT professionals to solve the problem. You will have to configure and install devices and services. You will have to do typical system engineering activities such as prepare, design, build, test, install, run, and so on and so on. And of course, incident and problem handling is also part of the job. Managing changes on systems, products and services is also your task. System-related activities on the infrastructure is also your job. PowerShell scripting for Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Azure, and you will have to provide on-call support as well. And as for the requirements, we are looking for an ideal candidate who has experience in the Windows environment. Knowledge of device management tools is also needed. Experience with Azure, Intune, SCCM, group policy and virtualization is also needed for this job. Very good knowledge of different operating systems. It is a great advantage if you are familiar with ELK, AFS, remote support tools, macOS, iOS, Android, printers and so on. This is also a great advantage if you are familiar or experienced with security tools. Willingness to learn new technologies is required. Strong analytical skills is also required for this job. You will have to respond quickly to unforeseen circumstances. You will also have to do last-minute adjustments, sometimes in tight deadlines. You will have to work independently, but of course you will have to enjoy working as part of a hybrid team. You will have to take the initiative and learn quickly, reach out to other team members and colleagues if necessary, manage your day-to-day work and your own priorities is also a requirement, and be customer-oriented and solution-oriented. Alright, so as for the package, what we offer here is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses. We also give you a Medicover health package and a company phone with mobile internet and private use. And you can also get special employee discount on different banking services. And as for KBC, this is a stable and secure environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities and different training courses. And this is an English-speaking working environment with some business trips to Belgium, and we have flexible working hours, so there is no check-in and no check-out, and no one's going to check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. We also have a very active community life with social events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful, I think. And if you come by bicycle, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. Well, as for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me. The second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the technical team members. The third one is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. And thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. And keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress where I have a blog. Plus these clips are also available in a podcast format on YouTube podcast. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye.